Dallas and New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for northwestern St. Bernard Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Orleans Parish in southeastern Louisiana, north central Jefferson Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern Plaquemines Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Gretna to Estelle to Jean Lafitte, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Chalmette, Air B, Merrill, Violet, and Pointers around 11:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. New Orleans and East New Orleans around 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Lakefront Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 234 and 266. Interstate 510 between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 610 between mile markers 3 and 4. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep your outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Additionally, heavy rainfall may hide this tornado.